Sending money to the Philippines shouldn't be complicated, and with Remitly, it doesn't have to be. First, let's set up your Remitly account by opening the Remitly app or visiting their website. Find the sign up button, enter your email and create a strong password, then provide your full name, date of birth, and address. These are required for verification and security. Next, add your recipient's information. Select Philippines as the destination country. Enter the recipient's name as it appears on their ID, their phone number, bank account information, or mobile money account details. Accuracy is key. Double check everything. Now, choose how to pay. Remitly offers debit cards, credit cards, or bank transfers. Choose the best option for you. Different payment types have different fees and exchange rates, so compare them. Review the details carefully. Before sending, confirm the transfer details, the amount, fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Review them, then click Send. Remitly will securely process your payment. Finally, track your transfer via the Remitly app or website. You'll receive updates. You'll know your money is on its way. Remitly simplifies this process, so sending money to the Philippines has never been easier or more reliable.